Natural hair braids is one of the really suitable protective hairstyles for a fussy hair. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing how to make your own natural hair braids as a mini braids or a dookie braids. This video, meets all needs. And I'm also going to be sharing you the benefits of wearing your fussy hair in a natural braids. Let's get right into it. Natural hair braids is one of the protective hairstyles that I know that literally does protect the fussy hair, as it helps to reduce manipulation. As once you keep your hair in this natural hair braids, you can wear it for a very long time, for as long as 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, and some people tend to take it longer than that, whichever way that is just convenient for you. Also, it's very versatile. You can wear it, especially when it's on mini braids. You can wear it and style out as you desire, and you actually can wear this hairstyle and also still wash your hair, have your wash day routine. It's not affecting anything. You just also it keeps the hair stretched. It's one of the best ways that you can see the length of your hair without applying its pressure and all of those things. It's really just a great protective hairstyle for any naturalista. And probably you're someone who wears wig, or you are not really used to braids and all of those things, like braids in extension, I mean, and all of those things. It's just one of the best ways to keep your hair healthy and protected. So in this video, I actually want to show you how to make your own natural hair braids, either by mini braids or dookie braids. It's just the same method. Once you can part your hair or section your hair into the sizes that you want, this is just literally how to make your own natural hair braids. So I want to show you that in this video, but I observed while we're editing this video that the last section it's actually really clearer than the other parts of the video. So I'm going to be explaining the procedures or the process at the end of the video, towards the end of the video. So I really hope that is fine by you. But if you're a fast learner, you may be able to get what I'm doing already. And if you are not, I have a video that actually shows how to make braids. So I believe if you're able to get that process, you might be able to get this. And as well, I'm already going to be showing you, the process. I'm going to be explaining the process further on in this video. But just keep watching as you get yourself acquainted with what I'm doing. We're almost there. Okay. Okay, so first you have to divide your hair, the hair you want to work with, into 3 equal sections. You have to make sure that it is 3 equal sections so that you don't end up doing sharing and pairing. Sharing and pairing can be a struggle when you are making it and also had a takedown process. So you have to actually avoid that as much as you can. Then once you're able to actually divide into equal sections, you have to go ahead and pass each section like the way I'm doing. I hope you can actually see more closely. You just have to pass the section from one hand. You have to actually pay attention to my hand position. So you pass from one hand to the other. You have to interchange. There are 3 sections, so you have to keep interchanging from one section to the other. And it's coming upward. You're passing them over each other. So you can start from the side, from the one by the side, you pass upward. Can you see? Then you take the other hand upward. So it's as though you always have to have one at the center. Then you are switching the ones by the side over. You do the left side, you exchange it, and you pass to the right side as well. I really don't want to complicate things for you, but I really hope you can actually understand by just watching what I am doing. If you are not getting it, please do well to see my short tutorial on how to braid, and I think that would really help you, and it will go a long way in this process. If you're able to master braiding on someone else, it would make it much more easier for you to braid on yourself. And also, I actually have another video that shows how to braid on yourself, DIY natural braid on yourself, but I'm using a different techniques in that one. So if this is hard for you, that technique I'm using there is the cornrow techniques. So if this is not easy for you, you can also try that out. Maybe that might work out well for you. I'll also be including the link in the description box. I really hope this is really helpful for you, and I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If you have, and if this is one of the things you would love to see on my page consistently, please kindly subscribe and like my video. It will go a long way. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.